Hello friends! We partially restored the printing processes and have already printed small runs. By the end of July, we hope to restore full-time work. At the moment, the huge discounts that the printing house gives us help to keep prices at the same level. Discounts will end soon and book prices will have to be raised by 30-50%. Seize the moment. Order books at loyal prices. Also, 2 sets of colors and 3 sets of high shelf flowers, too, are currently available for order. Sets are already in stock and ready to ship via UPS, DHL and FedEx. Delivery time depends on the region, from 5 to 14 days. You can conveniently and safely pay for your order via PayPal, Stripe, or a bank card of any bank. Don't wait for tomorrow. Follow the link below the video and place your order today. Let's create beauty and make this world more beautiful and harmonious together.